What's up, y'all? Welcome to What's Cooking with Fanny Boo. Today we're going to be making my magnificent mango habanero sweet potato boats. Let's check out the ingredients. Pretty simple. Today we've just got some sweet potatoes, a tomato, an avocado, some garlic, 2 habanero chilies, a mango, some kale, beans, salt, and pepper. That's all you need. First things first, you want to preheat the oven to 375. This is going to be our longest step, so just knock it out ASAP. You're going to poke all of your sweet potatoes with a fork 3 times on each side. So I've already done the other sweet potatoes. Just showing you how to do it on this one. Go ahead and use some non-stick spray or olive oil, whatever you want, right here on a pan, and a little bit of salt. Actually, just roll them around a little bit so it can stick onto there. Seems like a lot, but it's not really going to be all used, so don't worry about it. We're going to pop these in for 45 minutes. So, like I said, get that out the way ASAP. We've chopped all our veggies, so now we're going to mix them up in a nice big bowl. Just get everything in there. And we're also going to add our beans. These haven't been cooked yet, but that's fine. I'm going to give that a nice stir. Now that our 45 minutes are up, we're going to go ahead and pull these out. And they should be ready. The way you check them is by just taking a fork and just poking right through. If they go through softly and easily, you know they're ready. So we'll go ahead and cut those in half and let them chill for a second before we stuff them. So one of our final steps is going to be to get our little boats ready for our stuffing. So we're going to take a knife and just split it straight down the middle, but don't go through the skin. Then you're going to take a spoon and you're going to kind of push that out. So you create this little space where you can put stuff without having to sacrifice any of your sweet potato. Okay, so see how we have a nice little boat right there. And take some of our stuffing, put it in there, and try and push it in as much as you can. Load it as high as you can. It's going to cook, so it will go down. There you go. And let's do that with the rest of them. Now that we've got our boats nice and loaded, we're going to go ahead and hit them with some salt and pepper before we pop them back in the oven for just a couple more minutes. So just a little bit. And a little bit of pepper. Remember, you have habanero in here, so you don't want to add too much kick. Just enough. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and pop these into the oven for about 15 minutes. And then we'll be done. Okay, 15 minutes have passed, so let's go ahead and pull those out. And these are ready to go. So there you have it, my magnificent mango habanero sweet potato boats. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, follow, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.